Did you know that in Greek mythology, Hercules murdered his entire family before he became a hero? Yeah, his wife, his children, gone. Hera, who hated Hercules from the moment he was born, drove him completely insane one afternoon, and in that madness, he killed them all with his bare hands. When the fog lifted and he saw what he had done, he didn't even try to run from it. He went to the oracle at Delphi and basically begged to be punished. The oracle sent him to serve King Eurystheus for 12 years. The 12 labors everyone knows, the Nemean lion, the Hydra, Cerberus, all of it, that was his sentence. Not glory, not adventure, penance. Every single labor was Hercules trying to pay a debt he could never actually pay. Every monster he killed was him running from the one moment no amount of strength could fix. The greatest hero in all of Greek mythology was really just a man who could never forgive himself. And honestly, that's the most human thing about him.